Hello, welcome to this Firefox audit video where we'll be taking a look at how you can get an overview of all of the outdated Firefox installations in your environment. Obviously, every time Firefox or Mozilla releases a new version of Firefox, then they also add additional fixes for potential vulnerabilities or exploits that have been taken place. So it's important that you always ensure that your Firefox versions are up to date. Even if they might update automatically, it can occur that updates fail or that they don't take place because your users aren't actually using the Firefox browser itself. So let's head into Lansweeper and take a look at how you can find all of your outdated Firefox installations. So here in Lansweeper, you can head over to your reports area where if you head over into the security category, you can take a look at all of our security related reports. And one of those will be the latest Firefox and Firefox ESR audits. When we head into it, you'll see that we get a list here of all of the Firefox and Firefox ESR installations that have been discovered in our network. And additionally, the version that those Firefox installations have. Therefore, you can easily see which devices you need to start working on and ensure that you update them so that they're fully protected and fully secure. Now, as I mentioned, every time a new Firefox version is released, we'll automatically add a new Firefox audit to your installation as well. Therefore, you won't have to do anything manually. You'll just have to check back to Lansweeper periodically to see the new report and audit, run it so that you're sure that all of your Firefox installations are fully up to date. And with that, I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you later.